The US stock market failed to develop a clear-cut trajectory on Tuesday, so all three benchmark stock indexes closed mixed. For example, the Dow Jones logged a 0.1% uptick. Both the Nasdaq and the S&P500 edged down 0.1%. Yesterday, the market got to know the ISM manufacturing PMI for April, which climbed to 61.2. It proves expansion of the US national economic output, though it's in a pace of a growth. Tonight, the US Fed will release the Beige Book that will shed light on the current economic conditions. The S&P 500 dipped a bit yesterday. The index is wound down by shares of the healthcare and high-tech sectors. However, technically, it remains within a long-term bullish trend. Today, the S&P 500 is trading at near 4,202. It's expected to trade in the corridor of 4,160 to 4,240 in the near time. The price could escape these borders in response to economic data released today. However, nothing extraordinary will follow. Notably, the US dollar stalled its decline across the board. On the other hand, the bullish outlook for the US currency is still an open question. Today, its index is trading at about 89.90. It's likely to hold in the corridor of 89.85 to 90.20 in the near time. As we had predicted earlier, the Canadian dollar also halted its steady advance, though growing oil prices make the loonie overvalued. In case of a new bullish wave in the oil market, the Canadian dollar could break below the level of 1.1980 against its American rival. Today, the currency pair is trading at around 1.2060. Technical analysis suggests that the pair will trade in the corridor of 1.1980 to 1.2150. Updated technical analysis indicates that we should not await a deep downward correction of Bitcoin. The digital token is likely to touch the bottom at about $32,000. Then crypto investors will push the price up to $40,000, increasing trading volumes in parallel. Today, the number one cryptocurrency is trading higher at near $37,500 per token. That is a positive sign for crypto traders. Such price action was predicted in our previous forecasts. Meanwhile, the information background lacks any catalysts for the crypto market, so digital assets are trading without sharp price swings. The market is alert to the Fed's Beige Book and the non-farm payrolls. A new portion of data will help the market develop further investment strategies. Market participants cheer positive changes in the global economy. Some top global companies not only recovered from the pandemic fallout, but also benefited from the crisis. Market capitalization of 100 largest companies contracted 15% at the pandemic peak. Since then, it zoomed up 48% from that low. All in all, large global companies are the main winners, which took advantage of the Fed's financial aid and stimulus from other major central banks and governments. And that's all for today. We keep monitoring the financial market situation. Subscribe to our channel and see you tomorrow.